Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hey, it's Clarissa Newraid here. So there's two lines of the code that contain an operation, addition or multiplication. So we have t is defined to be t plus 1, and I is defined to be 2i. The first line right here contains one addition, while the second line, I is defined to be 2i, has one product. So there's two operations in each iteration of the while loop. So the while loop iterates as long as I is less than or equal to n. So I starts from 1, and in each iteration, which is I is defined to be 2i, I takes on the values 1, 2, 4, and we get the last power x of 2 that is less than n. So we get 2 to the x is less than n. So note that x is then a floor function of the logarithm with base 2 of n. So the floor function looks like this, with base 2 of n, and I takes on the values 1, 2, 4, all the way till 2 to the floor function of log base 2 of n, which are floor function log base 2 of n plus 1 values, since 2 to the 0 is 1, and so forth. So the total number of operations is the product of the number of values of I and the number of operations per iteration of the while loop. So that gives us the floor function log base 2 of n plus 1 times 2, which is equal to 2, the floor function of log base 2 of n plus 2. So there are two floor function log base 2 of n plus 2 operations, while two floor function log base 2 of n plus 2 is O of log of n.